In the heart of Antarctica, a tiny life begins inside a deadly blizzard. At -77 degrees, even the first breath is a battle. These are emperor penguins, the strongest survivors of the frozen world. Together, they stand against wind, darkness, hunger, and endless ice. As winter arrives, the colony gathers for the hardest season of life. On the frozen ice, two penguins begin a bond of survival. Their future depends on one fragile egg and perfect timing. Inside the mother, new life grows while the storm draws closer. For emperor penguins, survival begins long before the chick is born. There are no nests here, only ice, wind, and parental warmth. At last, the mother lays a single egg on the frozen ground.
If the egg touches the ice too long, life can vanish instantly.
The father carefully takes the egg and hides it beneath his body.
Now the mother must leave, crossing the ice to reach the sea.
The father remains behind, protecting the egg without eating for weeks. Darkness covers the colony as winter becomes colder and more dangerous. The fathers press together, forming a living wall against the storm. They slowly rotate, sharing warmth so every bird gets a chance. Outside the huddle, the blizzard screams across the endless white ice. Far beneath the frozen ocean, mothers hunt for their unborn chicks. Every fish they catch may become the chick's first real meal. Back on the ice, the fathers wait through hunger and darkness. Inside the shell, a tiny heartbeat grows stronger beneath the storm. After weeks of sacrifice, the first signs of hatching finally begin. A small crack appears, and the chick starts fighting its way out. But nature offers no safe arrival. As the chick tries to hatch, the storm rises again. Hidden beneath his father, the chick takes its first breath.
It is tiny, weak, and completely dependent on warmth to live.
The starving father gives one final reserve to keep the chick alive. Some eggs fall to the ice, and nature gives no second chance. Across the frozen horizon, the mothers finally return from the sea. Among thousands of voices, each family must find its own call. For the first time, mother and chick meet in the storm. She feeds the chick, giving it strength after days of danger. The exhausted father can finally leave and search for food again. Now the mother becomes the shelter against wind, snow, and cold. With every feeding, the chick grows stronger beneath her protection. But even one moment in the open cold can be deadly. Above the colony, predators circle, searching for weak and unguarded chicks. Together, the penguins protect their young from cold and danger. The chick steps onto the ice, shaky but full of life. This frozen world becomes its first lesson in survival. Soon, the mother must leave again to bring back food.
The chicks gather together, forming small groups for warmth and safety.
Day by day, they learn patience, balance, and endurance. When parents return, the colony fills with calls and movement. A chick recognizes its parent by one familiar voice. Each feeding gives the young penguin another chance to survive. Still, Antarctica remains dangerous, and the storms can return any time. The chicks survive by staying close and sharing precious warmth.
From a helpless hatchling, it slowly becomes a true survivor.
The ice is cruel, but it teaches strength without mercy. This story begins with sacrifice from both mother and father. No chick survives alone in this frozen world. Here, patience is not weakness, it is the key to life. Emperor penguins do not defeat the cold, they adapt to it.
The young chick now looks toward a difficult but hopeful future.
The blizzard softens, and a pale light returns to the ice. Against all odds, new life has endured. One tiny chick survives, because two parents never gave up. Born in a blizzard, this life carries the strength of Antarctica.